I am going to turn Derek into a giant with this black pepper again, but this time, I will pour giant pepper on Derek's nose. Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. It worked. Derek sneezed and turned into a giant. Ha 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 ha.
Oh my god, what happened? I gotta climb on Derek to see what happened to him.
Alex, there you are. I got turned into a giant after I sneezed. It was caused by that giant pepper. I looked back, and I saw John the Troublemaker did that.
Oh my god, that no good troublemaker did that. I caught it all on film.
I wonder what's on YouTube. What is this? I better watch this and see what it is.
Take it easy, Kevin. The comments know about what John the Troublemaker did. Stay cool. Oh no. Tantrum is coming on now.
Troublemaker, I saw the whole video about what you did, and what you did was very unacceptable because of your diet turning into a giant from its sneezing humor.
Oh my god. Kevin. Are you alright? I heard your tantrum.
Yes, I am. Patrick, but John the Troublemaker turned Derek into a giant by making him sneeze with too much giant pepper directly from that powder block.
Oh crap. I am totally screwed now. That's right, John the Troublemaker. Why did you make Derek sneeze like that? Tell me the truth right now. Because I thought it would be funny to do it as a prank. It's not funny. Plus, you made Kevin throw a tantrum like that. It woke me up from my nap. That's it. I am calling your parents about this. Go home right now.
John the Troublemaker, how dare you make Derek sneeze with that giant pepper? Thanks to you. Kevin saw giant Derek, saw the video Alexander filmed, and threw a tantrum about it. That's it. You are grounded for a week, plus whole month of January. Go to your room right now.
Yes, Dad. I understand.